Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to control the font size inside your VS Code. So this is your font size, default font size which comes in VS Code. If you want to increase or decrease it, you can go to the settings option right here and right in the search bar simply type font, and now it will show you the font settings related to it. So this is the setting here. You can control the font size. If I increase this value, let's suppose to 46. So now you can see the font size will change here. So in this easy way, you can control it, give it a value here. If you want to decrease the font size, it's very easy. Go to the settings, just type in the search bar font, and here you can control the font size in pixels. So if I say 10 here, instantly it will update and you will be able to see. Personally, I use 19 here, which is more than enough to see the actual source code which is there. So in this easy way, some more settings are also there. You can control the font size for other, but this is the main thing. This controls the font size in your pixels. One other way by which you can do this is opening your user setting file, JSON file. So here you can control it very simply. Just search for this setting, which is editor.set or font size. So basically you can add this property in this JSON file. If I change this to, let's suppose 16, it will automatically change. So I personally set it to 19 here. You can see that. So in this easy way, you can set the font size in VS Code. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.